Hello, good day everyone. You are welcome to yet another video of BuildPro Global Enterprise YouTube channel. I would like to show you how to create and insert doors into a floor plan today. This video is actually part of a video series that shows you how to create a simple floor plan using AutoCAD. Okay. However, in this particular video, we'll learn how to create and insert doors into a floor plan. Without any waste of time, let's get started. Let me start creating this first door here. This is a door of 4 feet, that's 1200 millimeters. Now let me pick my line command over here. I'll come right to this place. I'm going to click and move this way and type 1200 millimeters. I then press enter on my computer keyboard. I now move upwards and type 230 millimeters and press enter. That's my wall thickness. I'll now come this way and type 1200 millimeters. I then press enter and now come downward and close the drawing. I want to create a double swing door here because it's the main entrance door to this building. Now what I'm going to do next is to offset 50 millimeters. I'll type 50 millimeters and press enter and offset 50 all round and press escape after I'm done. Now I'm going to offset 900 millimeters again. I'll type O on my keyboard and press enter to activate the offset command, and then type 900 millimeters and press enter on my computer keyboard. And I now offset 900 millimeters inward. The first leaf of my door is starting from here to here, that's 900 millimeters, while the smaller leaf would swing from this line to this line. Now let me trim out unnecessary lines that I don't need. By picking the trim command, I'll click on trim and now come and trim out all the unnecessary lines I don't need. Now this is where my door starts and this is where it ends. Now let me draw the door leaf. Let me pick the line command by typing L on my computer keyboard and pressing enter. Then from the middle of this door frame, that's where my door will swing. I'll click and move upward and type 850 millimeters and press enter. Then I escape. I'll draw this other door as well. I'll pick the line command. Then from the middle here, I'll click and move upwards. Then I type 250 millimeters this time around instead of 300 millimeters because the door frame, which is 2 inches, has occupied part of the 300 millimeter space. Then I press enter on my computer keyboard. Okay, now the next thing I need to do is to create a path for this door as it swings downward, and this other one as well, which is an arc. So I'll go over to my draw group. The draw group is on the home tab. Then I come over to this part where I have arc. I'll click on this little arrow here. Then I select center, start, end. Okay, to draw an arc. Now I'll click on it. Then you can see on my mouse pointer or crosshair, I'm being asked to specify the center point of the arc. So if I'm drawing an arc from here to this place, this is where the center will be. So this is my center. I'll click on it. I'll now specify the start point of the arc. I'll move upward and click on the start point of the arc. So I'll now specify the end point of the arc. I'll now come this way and click on the end point over here. So I'll do the same thing for this other leaf of the door. So in the same way, the way I created this 4 feet door, I'm going to create the other doors like this. These are the various doors I created and I want to make them into blocks now. And to do that, I'll just highlight the door and come over to the block group and click on create block. Then I give this block a name. Then I specify the base point. I'll now click at this end here. I'll be taken back to this dialog box after picking my base point, and I'll now click OK. I'll do the same thing for the other doors. I'll highlight the doors. Then I go to create block. Give the block a name, 900 millimeter door. I'll specify a base point by clicking on pick point here. I'll click here. Then I click OK. I'll do the same thing for this other window. Okay, so these 3 doors now, I've now made them into blocks. So without any waste of time, let me start placing the various doors into their appropriate places. Starting with the main door here, I'm going to highlight this door, then I'll use my move command here. I'll now choose a base point. Okay, I'll do the same thing for the other doors. Now I need to make a copy of this door. I'll now highlight it and come over to my copy command here. I now move a copy of it over to this place. I'll now place another instance over here and another instance over here. They are all the same 900mm door. I'll now press escape on my computer keyboard. I'll now come over to this door and rotate it so that it can fit well. I will highlight it, then I pick the rotate command. I'll now specify a base point on the door and rotate it. Now this time around, I'll need to use the mirror command alongside. I want the door to swing from this place, right like this, to this wall. I want it to be leaning on this wall. So I'll highlight this door and use the mirror command. This is the mirror command under the modify group. Then I'll move over to my door and select the base point. I'll click, then I'll move away to a reasonable distance and click again. Now I'm being asked if I should erase source object. That is, do I want to erase this very particular door? That is my source object. If you want to erase it, you click on yes. If you don't want to erase it, you click on no. But in this case, I want to erase it, so I'm going to click on yes. I can now move this door into place. So to do that, I'll highlight the door, then I'll use my move command. By simply typing M on my keyboard and pressing enter, I'll now specify the base point. I'll pick the door by this angle here and I'll move it into place. So not to waste your time, I'm going to do the same thing again for the remaining doors and put them in place. So I'll finish inserting or placing all my doors into place. Thanks for watching. Please endeavor to click on the subscribe button below to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. See you next time. Bye.